every day, every night. You have people in the area working in this digitization. This does not only happen in the Silicon Valley, it also happens around us here.
Es gibt auch immer Inspiration für den Beruf, für den Alltag, neue Ideen, neue Richtungen, neue wichtige Technologietrends zu finden und diese vielleicht auch anzuwenden.
The i4Challenge is aimed at entrepreneurs, startups, SMEs and university projects with Industry 4.0 products or services. The opportunity to develop their project further and to get more visibility.
Now we finally made it also to Switzerland, Germany, France, and especially in this area where, I mean, nothing else proves international trade better than this area where different cultures and companies are melting together.
Very interesting to those who really go now into that process, that they can see what their strengths are, but also their weaknesses and where they have to focus, that everything, the product, the services and the go-to-market really becomes a success.
Je crois nous avons passé aujourd'hui en revue un certain nombre de projets et effectivement il y a des projets qui sont extrêmement intéressants. Donc maintenant nous allons rentrer dans la phase de délibération et pour sélectionner effectivement les projets qui sont les plus innovants, puisque l'innovation est au cœur de cette démarche.